So today, guys, we'll be using Ninja for competitive programming, and we'll be using Ninja and CMake. CMake will generate makefile for the Ninja build, and with the help of the makefiles, like the Ninja build is gonna build and run the code. So this are my folder structure. You can get it from GitHub. Like this are here is a bin contest and CPP snippets. There's a lot of tools. You can go to the bin. Like there are a lot of tools I've built. Not much, but it's as much as required. Right here, I'm gonna show you how to use it. Like here, I'm in the and that directory, right? So I have made a tool make problem, which is gonna make problem for me. Like this is gonna make build problem for me. Like here you can say that I make problem. This is my commands. You can run it. Like this is gonna build problem for me. Like this is gonna pre-compile the code, run the code, and you can just like to make sure it's working. To just Ninja do like it has no work to do. Like no, it's really fast. Like you can also see the code, like source code, which is one directory back. Here I'm gonna send some code, to make sure it's working fine. Like, and I'm gonna recompile the code and run it again, to make sure, like, to show you guys like how fast Ninja it is. So I basically I'm writing as a simple program, like just to make sure like I have sensed the code and recompile it and like check the speed of Ninja. Like, and basically Ninja is really super fast, but like it can be very tricky. Like it's not that easy to get Ninja build. Like you have to generate the make files with the help of CMake, then you have to you have to run Ninja command, then it's the Ninja build. It's gonna build the build executable from using the makefile. Like I have recompiled it using the Ninja. Like I have built it, rebuild it using Ninja, and just like here is my output. Like I can also remove problem. Like I can also make contests. Like I can create a contest problem. Like a contest problem usually contains like 5 to 6 problem. Like, and also like maybe 7, like 8 or many. Like I can just really like contest and specify the for contest name. Like, oh, like I've got a year here. Like I also specify the number of problems in that contest, so that it builds the contest for me. Like it builds the problems for the contest. Like I have so I'm gonna generate 6 problem. It's gonna generate 6 problem for me. Like basically, like if the contest is 7 problem, like just press 7, then just pass the parameter 7, then it's gonna build 7 problem for me. Like here it's gonna build like 6 problem for me, like because I I first the parameter 6. Like it's building the following. Like also it is pre-compiling the code, like free building the code, like so that when it runs for the second time, like it becomes really fast. Like it's the trick. Like it's the trick I use for competitive programming. Like when you create a problem, like it's gonna pre-compile the code. Like when you run it for the second time, it becomes really fast. Like, and Ninja is already really fast. Now you can see my code here. Like basically I'm gonna send something, like, and rerun it again, right? Rebuild it again. Like Ninja doesn't rebuild when there is no censored code. Like it doesn't rebuild. Like it doesn't rebuild until you sense it. Like, so you have to sense something, like to so that the Ninja rebuilds something, rebuilds your code actually. So I'm basically like just making a small sense. Like I'm gonna run Ninja, so it's gonna rebuild my program and build the executables. Like I'm running it here. Like it's really fast. Like I can also like to build and run at the same time. Like fmag is there. basically, so I'm gonna close that. So I can also remove contest if after the contest, like, no, it's in the 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 size becomes in a large. That's because there is a lots of folders, like, build folders, and the size is very large. Like, so I have to delete it after. I have to remove it after the contest. Like, I can keep the source files, but I don't really need the whole project structure. So like, I just remove the contest. After the contest, specify the contest name which you want to remove. You can also keep it, but like, this is my Git repository, so I don't keep it because I have to push it. Like, I don't like to push my contest problem solutions the Git repository. I don't like that. No one likes that. You can see my CMake version here. Like, I am using like CMake this version, and you can also see my Ninja version. This and this is the latest version. I think this is also stable releases. We can do this setup here. Like, you can set it up for my GitHub. Like, you can download the CMake+Ninja, and also, like, you can just like, the tools I use, like, I put it in the Git repository. You can just get it from my Git repository. Like, like, you can just clone it or download it as a zip file or do whatever. The deal. How to get it from the GitHub repository. It's really easy. Like, like, you use Git. Like, if you don't use Git, like, you can just, I don't know, like, how to get it, but but if you use Git, like, if you know how to use Git, like, you can just really, like, get it from a GitHub. Like, you can just forget or do whatever you want. And like, you can just do, like, you can just get this repository from a GitHub, like, into your local machine, or do whatever, like, just git clone or whatever, like, just do it. Like, just get it into your local machine, like, do whatever's in the sense you, like, it's your choice. Like, I don't really bother about it, like, what you do in a local machine. If you really want to, like, you can just git clone or something like that. I know, like, you can just this part is boring. Like, like, I'm telling you how to git clone repository. Like, basically, the deal, but like, what I'm doing it, you can just create a folder, like, just clone it or whatever, like, extract it. When if you have downloaded the zip file, you can extract it or do whatever you want. And like, it's really easy. You can just like, I have open a gateway here, like, and you can just press enter. Like, it's really easy. I didn't do it because I already have it, and I don't want to get in trouble, like, git clone this step again. Like, I will be in really trouble, so I'm not gonna do it. Oh yeah. After you have it in your local machine, like, you have to set the bin path, which is it basically, but you have to set it to bin path. Why you set it to the bin path? Because like, you want to make it the global commands, like, you can access it from anywhere in the system, in your system, basically. So if you set it to the bin path, like, like, I already have it, but like, if you don't have it, like, it's really got deleted. But I'm gonna make a new, like, just just set it to the bin file, like just copy paste, okay, or you know the deal. Like it's really easy. Like you can set it up. Like you have to set a lot of bin files. Like it's really about this part is really a video about like setting the bin file. Like you have to set the CMake bin file, you have to set the Ninja bin file, you have to set the MSys bin file. Like already it's just about setting the bin file, like you so that you don't get in trouble while running the Ninja command or while running the CMake build or CMake generated while you're generating the make files with the same make for the ninja build ninja target. Like you're targeting ninja here, like you have to generate the make files for the ninja system or ninja build system, like your ninja build tool. Or do like you're generating the make files for the ninja build, like the ninja build is gonna build this executable using the make file. So whatever is there in the make file, it's gonna with the help of that, it's gonna build your executable. Like, you can also download here. You can download CMake. Here you can download CMake. You can just get it from the CMake official website, like cmake.org. It's really easy. Like it is just downloaded. I don't usually do video about it, but like it's really easy. But for the first time being, like I'm doing it. You can just download it, extract it, or do you do installer? You download the installer, or you download this zip file. But you know, it'll last. It's at the end of the day, it's all the same. Like you just hit the bin file. Just like just like just the files you have, like the bin files. Like CMake will have a bin files, like binary files. Like you just set it to the bin. In like the system environment variables. It's really easy, man. Like you can just do it. Like I'm not gonna tell you how to do it, but you know the deal. Like you can just get the CMake. Like it's really easy. Like you can just get it from the GitHub. There are a lot of stable releases there. You can just get it from the GitHub. I know this. Like Ninja doesn't have a bin file, but like to make sure like then you can run Ninja from everywhere. Like you have to set it's like default, like where the Ninja is located. Ninja executable is located. You have to find it folder, like you have to find a directory and set it to bin part. Yeah, basically I'm gonna go into and set the bin parts for everything. Like I'm gonna set it for CMake, because I already downloaded it. Like I already have it, because I already shown you, like I already use CMake. That's why I have it, man. It's not a what Ninja. You can just set the Ninja pod, like Ninja executable pod, like so that you can run it from anywhere in a system from CMD. And basically, you can just run it, like you just set the CMake bin pod. It's really easy, man. You know the deal, like how to do it. Oh, this is boring, man. But like just do it. Just set the bin part, like so that you don't get in trouble. Like you're gonna get into real trouble if you don't set the bin part. Like if you do like set the bin part, like you're not going to get in trouble. But if you don't set the bin part, you're going to be in really trouble. But like just do it, man. Like you can, you also need the main GWs to set it to the bin part. But I think you have already done it, because you use C++. Like just the basic step you do when you C++ programmer, like you would set it to bin part so that you can run G++ or whatever, GCC or Minzy W2 Mac, Minzy W32 Mac. Okay, yeah, I said it wrong, but it's like you can just run it from anywhere. It's really easy. You just set it to the bin file. Like you have to set it to the MSys. Like, why do you need MSys? Because MSys is really like this at the Linux command. You can just, if you set the MSys bin part, like you can just run Linux command in your Windows machine. But why do you need it? Because like CMake, when it generates the make file, like it's like it is like like it's not in the Windows style, but it is in somewhat like Unix or something like that. So you just need the Linux command for that. Yeah, like you can just get it from my GitHub. um, I'm not, my GitHub profile is not so good, but so don't look at it. But if you want to follow it, follow it. Here is my code module. It is my there is my Android 4.6. Like, but why I'm saying it, like, just stop it, man.